Coffee warmer. Gravity-induction auto-on-off cup warmer for desk. Coffee, milk, tea, beverage, candle wax cup warmers. Plate, white. Easy to use thanks to the gravity-induction technology. This coffee warmer can shut off on auto. Just plug the adapter into outlet, then put your mug on and the cup warmer will work auto. Take it away. The cup warmer will off auto.Of course. If your cup is too light, you can also turn it on manually by touching the button. Maintain optimal temperature. This coffee warmer not only can slow down the cooling speed of hot coffee, but also can heat your coffee up to 131.55 and keep this temperature whole day, which is neither too hot nor too cold. You can sip your coffee at any time without waiting. Suitable for most cups, the electric cup warmer has 3.5 diameter heating area using high-tech polyimide film as the heating surface, suitable for metal, ceramic, enamel, tile, high-temperature plastic, glassware, etc. Placing a lid over the mug will also help retain heat. Safe and reliable coffee warmer for desk. Use low-power heating body made of waterproof tempered. It keeps cup warmer heat resistant and fire resistant. Surface and large area vent on back. Never melt and release chemical. With 4 non-skid feet at the bottom to help support your mug and prevent spills. Note: do not pour water onto it. Best gift choice, beautiful and compact design. Keep your beverages always warm. It will be your best gift choice to show your care to your families, lover or friends on Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas or other special occasions. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.